Hello guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. So today I'm making this video to show you that I'm going to install a trailer hitch on my Honda CRV. This is the hitch that I got yesterday. Hopefully this is a plug and play, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to install this today and show you how you can install this yourself at home. But you're going to need these ramps, which makes the job much easier. First I need to see where is the screws. I hope they are in there. So yeah, I'll show you in a bit after I open this. Alright, so here is the hitch and here is the assembly. Hopefully this is plug and play, that's what they say, but looks like it has nuts for other side, bolts. Need to make sure where it goes because I don't see too many location underneath it. So I have to see where it goes. I think it goes here, but I don't see that it needs bolts on top of that. Looks like it just see that the bolts cannot go on top of it, especially from bottom. So let's see how strong this is gonna hold without installing those bolts to the other side. Alright guys, so to install a hitch in the 2011 CRV, you actually have to remove the muffler or pull it down a little bit, because the screws goes right above the muffler right here, and that's how you can install the hitch. I remove it because you can see it was completely rusted, so as soon as I remove it a little bit, it got broken. So now I have to probably get it welded, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna get this removed and cut it off, and probably gonna get it welded instead of putting this joint. Maybe I'll use this one, and yeah, we'll see what they're gonna charge me for that. I do have a welder, but it's a flex welder, so I don't know if it's that gonna work here, and I'm also not professional with the welding stuff, so yeah, stay tuned. Right now, so I'm gonna install the hitch. It's pretty simple, it's just bolt on, and I'm gonna put the bolt first to check if they goes in there tightly, and then I'll put the hitch there. So hitch is installed. It's right here. One of the screws is loose because I lost the thread, because I'm using the impact gun to put them, so that's why. But other than that, two of them perfectly there, one of them here, and two of these. I don't know if you can see, yep, right here. So this should be plenty strong for the just to tow the boat, because that's my main purpose to do. So now I have to go to the muffler shop and get this thing installed, and let's see how much they're gonna charge me. So yeah, so next thing, I'm gonna install the trailer wiring harness, and then I'll make the video too. I'll show you how you can do it, and I will also post the link where I bought that. It's a plug and play. Hopefully that works. It does say on the Amazon that it's plug and play. Simply just connect the wire harness into these rear lights and connect it down there. So hopefully it's pretty simple. So I'll see you guys in the next one.